Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome back to another daily video.
You?
What are we doing today?
I don't know why I made that word. I don't know why.
Okay, let's start again.
Hey guys, welcome to another daily video.
Whoa.
Whoa, I'm excited.
You're bright today.
So in today's video, we were planning to go and do a bit more exploring, but actually we've decided to stay put for the day because you might have spotted them in a few of our videos. We have reconnected with some wonderful Scottish friends that we've met out here, and we're going to be spending the night setting up the movie theatre again because, you know, we can't resist.
So yeah, we just want to give them a shout out because they've been a soundboard to us during this month of daily videos, and they've had a lot of patience with us while we've been editing so much as well. So yeah, we really appreciate those guys.
Yeah, we do. Which means we're staying put for one more night, and because of that, that means we don't really have anything to do today. So in typical Keely fashion, I woke up hyper. So I was like, we should do a build project on the van. If you guys remember, the DIY bench, we made it with pine cladding, and we have some cladding left over, and we cut it to fit the size of our...
You can see it. Yeah, you can see currently it's kind of just like a darker base from the carpet that's on the doors. So our plan, well, Keely's plan is to make me
and me, I'll stand there and look pretty.
fit the cladding to the back doors.
We've hated these back doors for ages. They're basically just an abyss of tinfoil and carpet, so I'm really looking forward to trying to make them look pretty. But we've no idea how this is going to work. We've no fixing point, so basically we're all going to go and tear down the back doors together and try and figure it out.
YOLO! Right, Captain, making a cup of tea for the road.
Before we've even started, I'm having my tea break.
So this current van project is brought to you from a different place than last time. Check out this view. Why wouldn't you want to do van projects here? So beautiful.
If you look at this,
How cool are you in your sunnies?
I've got sunnies on. The carpet is basically like semi coming away. We've got tin foil all over the edges, glue everywhere. We put this on to try and hide the carpet a bit. And basically it's just a general Ugg fest.
Yeah, but you know, when you close the doors, you don't see it, so...
Yeah, when we first built the van, we quite liked the carpet. It gave like a cozy vibe. But now I want pine. I want pine. Our friends have pine back doors and they look beautiful.
Another thing I've realised that having such a tiny space, you want it to feel as big as possible. So having just like dark carpet on the back doors kind of closes it in a lot as well.
Yeah, it does.
So that's why I'm hoping that the bright pine will kind of, you know, make it more spacious.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
So you've seen in our DIY bench video that we'd bought a big pack of cladding, and our lengths came in 2.1, which meant we worked out that we could get 3 cuts of 70 out of each one of our planks that were left. And what we also realised is all we need to see is the pine above the mattress, which just so happens to be 70 centimetres.
So we're replacing our scuffed door with more scuffed stuff.
Yeah. I don't even need to do anything, it just sticks there.
Alright, so as you see, we took the insulation out, we peeled it down, and now we have to figure out how we are going to attach this. So I've now changed our design. I don't think we need this cross beam anymore. We're putting a fixing point along the top and a fixing point along the bottom, and Bob's your uncle.
And Benny's your aunt.
If you want to do this when you're doing your van build, do it when you're doing your van build. Don't try to retrofit anything because it's a nightmare. As you can see, this door is currently reflecting my will to live. Stay with us, people. There is a method to our madness here. Underneath this, where you can see the exposed paper barrier, that is where we're going to screw the cladding into. So there's a piece of wood running across here, and there's a piece of wood running across here. So that's our thought process. And then when the cladding's fitted onto that, you're not going to see any of this, and it's going to look beautiful. Alright, so sadly, we didn't actually look at the amount of materials and stuff that we had before we started. We just assumed that we'd have the right amount of stuff, but we're out of the foil tape that you use to stick your vapor barrier back on. So we have enough stuff to do one side, so we're going to do that, and then we'll get the other side done and maybe do a little van tour. Right, so currently we've just curved that off and took a little notch out of the other corner as well. So that's the plan. The plan is now to put that on the door.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it does look legit though.
So as Philly said, we're only able to get one door done today. So you're gonna have to come back when we do our little mini van tour to see this one finished, to see it look as beautiful as this.
That ain't going anywhere.
This is super cute. We'll have to show you guys inside, because as you can see, it's level with the top of our mattress, so that basically you can see this from the bedroom. We didn't have enough to do this whole part of the door. I mean, it's a bit of a random selection, but the main thing is, in the room, this is gonna look. Let's go look at it from inside.
So we didn't get it all done. Like, I wouldn't even say we're 50% done. A lot of the first... No, I'm...
More?
Yeah,
Oh, right,
because
okay.
a lot of the... chill out. The initial process is just like trying to envision the project and figuring out trial and error with all the bits and pieces that we have. So I'd say we're like 70% done, and I'm super chuffed with how it turned out.
Yeah, it looks so cute.
It looks really, really cool.
You can see it between our heads.
You can see it between our heads. I'll give you a close-up as well. I think we can maybe tidy it up with a bit of trim or something around the edges. But yeah, I think it does its job on just making the inside of the van look a bit more expansive, eh?
Yeah, it's super cute. Van build never ends.
The van build actually never ends, and we just torture ourselves. That's the long and short, isn't it?
No, we just like to keep leveling up, baby. We'll have it all finished for our little mini van tour that we're going to be doing soon. So by the time we put that out, this will all be finished. We'll have it all trimmed up and looking nice.
Looking spick.
So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. We'll be doing that in the next few days. And apart from that, I think we'll just see you back here tomorrow.
Tomorrow, as always. And if you haven't subbed already, please do so. It helps us so much. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.